Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful maple leaf. I made these leaves from Simply Soft Kern yarn. You can use any yarn you want, and look on the back of the yarn, the hook that should go well with the yarn you're using. So this is my Simply Soft Kern yarn, and size G crochet hook. Make a magic circle, then lock and crochet over those two strands. Make 11 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There you go. So snug and join in the first single crochet. If you're not sure, just count back 11 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't make your stitches too tight. I finished my first round. Chain 2, double crochet in the same chain, so I hate sewing ends, so I'm gonna crochet my end in the second row. So just like this, and I'm gonna hold my end. So 2 double crochet in the next double crochet, and 2 double crochet in all the stitches around. And I'm gonna show you a trick at the end so you won't have a space. So you can secure just a couple of stitches and then you can cut your end. So I think that this should be enough. So 2 double crochet in each stitch around, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, I'm almost at the end, so you can still tie your middle so you won't have a hole. So last stitch, make 1 double crochet, make second double crochet, but leave it 2 loops on your hook, and the space where you did 2 single crochets, 2 chain 2, in the same space make a double crochet, and now you can finish. So then join see you don't have space, like here you can't tell where my chain 2 space is. That's why I show you the trick. So now we're gonna crochet 5 petals. I'm gonna show you how to do first 2, and then you have to do 3 others by yourself. So you have to crochet a petal in the same stitch, all stitches in the same stitch. So I finished. Let me do this very quick. I finished my second round, so now I need to slip stitch in chain 2 in the beginning, chain 2 and the second chain from the bottom. In the next stitch, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 treble crochet in the same stitch, 1, 2, then we're gonna do a picot, 1, 2, 3, and join in those 2 bottom loops, and go through your picot, 2 treble in the same space, 1, 2, and make 2 double in the same space. So 1, 2. So slide a little lower so you can see your next stitch, skip that stitch, join, slip stitch in the next one, skip 1 stitch, double crochet in the next, second double crochet, 2 treble in the same stitch, 2, make a picot, 1, 2, chain 3, and join in those beginning 2 loops, and with the last chain, there you go, 2 trebles, second one, 2 doubles in the same space, then slide your stitches a little over so you can see your next stitch, skip that stitch and join in the next, continue with your 3 petals. So just a reminder, skip that stitch, in the next stitch make 2 double crochet, 2 treble crochet, make a picot, then 2 treble crochet, 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch and join in the next stitch. I finished all of my 5 petals. So now chain 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Count 4 stitches from your hook. So 1 2 3, and in the fourth, slip stitch, so there is a little space inside. You can make a lot of leaves and just make a banner. So make a chain as long as you need and hang your leaves, maybe like this or like this, so you can make a banner. And if you don't want to make a banner, just a little bit like that, the space won't be visible. So slip stitch all the stitches, make sure you have a right side of the leaf. If it turn around, be careful. So I got to the end and join in the last stitch. So cut the yarn and there's your leaf. If the hole is too big, you can snug. There you go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like my tutorials. Leave a comment, like the button, and see you next time.